Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about aquaponic. This video consists of 4 segments, which are what type of rice can be grown in aquaponic, advantage of aquaponics, small and large scales of rice planting in aquaponic, and the last one is type of machineries or equipment used in aquaponic. Before we go any further, I want to tell you what is aquaponics. Aquaponics is a combination of aquaculture, which is growing fish and other aquatic animals, and aquaponics, which is growing plants without soil. Aquaponics use these two in a symbiotic combination in which plants are fed the aquatic animal discharge or waste.
Rice is important food in the world and a staple food of Malaysia. However, nowadays there is issue regarding lack of land to plant rice. This is because the demand of rice is getting higher each year because of population increases. Here, we can see that the amount of consumption of rice is higher than the amount of production of rice. Due to the issue arise, people find a solution to grow rice without the land, and one of it is growing rice in aquaponic system. It is developed from hydroponic system where rice is grown in media bed with the help of water. Then, it is improved with the introduction of fishes cultivation. By using aquaponic system to grow rice, no chemicals needed for nutrients because it can be obtained from fishes in the form of nitrate.
There are few types of rice can be grown in aquaponics. For example, arborio, white rice, risotto, jasmine, and basmati. Next is advantages of aquaponics. Firstly, aquaponics is environmental friendly technique. Next is it is affordable in sense of cheap to buy the materials for setup it. Third is aquaponic can save 80 to 90% of water compared to hydroponic or aquaculture. Moving on, next is the plant is naturally fertilized by fish feces, and aquaponics do not require huge space, so it is space sufficient. Last but not least, 70% of the supplement contribution in the form of fish food. So, it is high level of nutrient utilization.
In this video, I will explain about the small scale and large scale of aquaponic system. This is the example of small scale diagram in aquaponic system. It consists of 3 fish tank, a solid separation, a solid disposal, a biofiltration, a nutrient film technology, and a pump sump. The process of aquaponics started from pump sump, which help reuse all the runoff from the system. From PS, it pumps to fish tank 3 of them equally and emitted as wastewater which contains solid and liquid. The wastewater transfers to solid separation tank to separate solid waste because it is very toxic to aquatic life. Then, the solid waste is further transferred to solid disposal tank to store safely from the system. The liquid waste move to biofiltration and nutrient film technique to process nitrification. This is the example of large-scale diagram in aquaponic system. It consists of 4 fish tank, 2 clarifier, 4 filter tank, a degasser, 3 sets of plant container, and a sump. Water will be pumped from fish tank to clarifier, then go to the filter tank. The water from filter tank proceed to degasser and finally received by plants. The excess water from plant is returned in return line, passed to the sump and sent back to the fish tank. The process circulated without stopping.
First, we have water pump. This equipment is important to ensure aquaponic system circulates perfectly without any problems so that both paddy plants and fish receive the nutrients needed. Second, clarifier. Clarifier works as separator for solid waste from fishes such as their excretion and fish pellet. This ensures the water flow contains only liquid. Third, filter tank. This equipment also functions to trap any solid matter in water. It will stay in the bottom part of tank until it is clean. Fourth, we have degassing tanks. It helps in removal of methane nitrogen gas in the water to provide nitrates to plants that will be used for their nutrient intake. Fifth, sump. The sump sits at lower point than paddy grow bed and return tanks because it collects the water and function as drain. Water will go in and out using sump tank and also make sure water level in fish tank remains the same.
In conclusion,
Here, we can state that aquaponics helps to provide sustainable potential in rice production.